What happens to your body when you do horse stance 1 minute every day? Want to know the 1 minute exercise that ancient warriors swore by and most modern people can't even survive? It's called the horse stance, and if you do it every day, your body will never be the same. Here's the truth. The first 20 seconds feel fine. You're like, oh, I've got this. By 30 seconds, your thighs are on fire. At 40, your legs start shaking like an earthquake. And by 60 seconds, your brain is screaming, get up now. But here's where it gets crazy. Holding just 1 minute a day rewires your body. Your legs turn to steel. Your core? Solid. Even your back straightens, fixing that lazy posture you've been ignoring. And the mental benefits? Shocking. You actually build pain tolerance, focus, warrior level discipline. Here's what almost nobody knows. Horse stance isn't just strength training. It triggers deep stabilizer muscles and even improves blood flow. That's why monks used it as meditation and combat training. It's literally exercise and mindset training rolled into one. So here's the question. If 1 minute a day can do this, what would happen if you pushed it to 5? Try it tonight. Hold for 60 seconds. Time yourself. Comment below on how long you lasted before your legs betrayed you. And if you want me to reveal the 30-day transformation, smash that like, share this with a friend, and subscribe. Because trust me, you want to see what happens next.